everyone, it's Malika and I am back with another DIY, and today we will make rental friendly decor, and I'm sure you guys are going to love this idea because it's very easy and interesting and you don't need to spend too much money on it. The only thing is that you have to spend little time on it and you need only paper and a pen for this project. So without making this video any longer, let's get started. I am drawing 4 by 4 square on each side of the sheet and then I will cut the square. Similarly, I will cut the other sheets of different colors. Draw the lines and I will divide each area in 3 equal segments. Divide each area in this way that you are able to get 3 equal parts on each side. I will draw the Zentangle art or doodling. You can go according to your choice, and Zentangle and doodlings are stress busters. They releases the stress and help you to increase your concentration level also. It's not compulsory to do Zentangle or doodling with fine liner. You can do it with the black gel pen, ball pen or black sketch pen also. Now I will take the inner side of the sheet and I will roll it with the help of brush. You can take pen or sketch, whatever is available with you, and I will suggest you don't take thin paper because then it will not give you the fine look of the frame. Then paper will not be able to fold properly and it will not give you the look of a frame. Fold all the sides of the paper with the help of the brush. Do it very neatly, then it will give you the fine look of the frame. You can secure the sides with the help of the Fevicol if you want, otherwise there is no need. Now my frames are ready with the different colors. I have drawn different quotes on the colorful pages. If you don't want to draw, you can take out the printouts and then paste it with the help of the Fevicol in the frames. And here I am using the double-sided tape because it will give it a little 3D look and it will look nice. So that's why I am using the double-sided tape. You can use Fevicol also if you want. To paste it on the wall, I am using cello tape so that it will not able to harm the wall whenever we want to remove the frames. This video. If you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up and thank you so much for watching it. Stay safe, stay happy. Till then, take care.